Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to do another important part of your syllabus from grammar, that is narration, direct and indirect speech. Narration is an act of telling or describing a statement. We can report or describe the words of a speaker in two ways: direct speech, indirect speech. What is direct speech? Direct speech is exact words of the speakers. The words those are spoken by some person are quoted by the speaker in the same way. The example is given below. He said to me, I am not a thief. This statement, I am not a thief, is given in inverted commas, and these are the exact words which are spoken by the person, and now it is in the same way quoted by the speaker. When we convert this direct speech into indirect speech, there will be certain changes. The speaker is now transforming, changing these words into his own words. So the content is expressed in without quoting them exactly. So down is the example. He said to me that he was not a thief. See the difference between the two examples. One is direct speech in inverted commas and the other one is without inverted commas, and there are certain changes as well. Let's talk about the changes. And there are certain rules for making these kind of changes. There are some major rules to change these speeches from direct to indirect. We need to consider the tense, pronoun, words that describe time, place, distance, and type of sentences, etc. Here I have given the division of this two parts. The first part is reporting speech. It is before these inverted commas, and the statement that is in inverted commas is called reported speech. In reporting speech, we have one speaker and a listener, and there are certain changes in the pronouns according to the reporting speech, speaker and listener. Another change that happened when we changed into indirect speech, the conjunction that has been placed before the reported speech. When we remove inverted commas, we use the conjunction that, and inverted commas are removed. There are certain changes that happen in pronoun of reporting speech and reported speech. In reporting speech, we have speaker, listener, and there can be any pronoun, he, she, it, they. They will not be changed. But the pronouns of the reported speech will be changed according to the speaker and the listener of reporting speech. So when we find I, the first person in reported speech, it will be changed according to the speaker. And when we find the word you, that is second person, in reported speech, it will be changed according to the listener. And if there are other pronouns like he, she, it, they are called third person, there won't be any change. They will be written in the same way. Here are certain rules for changing the tense of the reported speech. Before this, we have talked about the changes in the pronoun. Now we are heading towards the changes in the tense. If the reporting speech is in present or future tense, no change in the tense will occur. But if the reporting speech is in past tense, the following changes will be made in the tense of reported speech. We are talking about the reported speech. The first column is also about reported speech. When it will be converted into indirect, then the second column tells about those changes that will happen. Is, are, am will be changed into was, were. Present indefinite tense will be changed into past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense will be changed into past perfect tense. Past indefinite change tense will be changed into past perfect tense. And past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense will not be changed, it will remain in the same way. Past perfect tense. Will and shall will be changed into would, and can will be changed into could. The word changes into words. There are certain words which change into other words. This will be changed into that, now, then, here, there, thus, so, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the day before, or the previous day, last night, the night before, ago, before. These are the major changes that happen. But with practice, you will come to know that there are other types of sentences which have variation in changes as well. But so far as the tense and the pronouns are concerned, and these words are concerned, these are the fixed changes that will happen. So I hope that you must have understood, and rest we will discuss in our class, and more of the practice is needed to make yourself expert, and inshallah you will learn it in a better way. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.